Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Huckleberry Fin knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put a dimple in there. Do whatever you want for that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put this up and over like this. We're going to come down and around like this. Then I'm going to come across, do it once, twice. I'm doing a cylinder here. I'm going to tighten that up. I'm going to do 3 times, but I'm tightening it up. I want as much as possible. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath. We're going to come up and over like so. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to open this up. I'm going to do a wreath. Actually, no, I'm just going to fold it because no one's going to see that wreath. I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to put it through here. Eventually. Alright, so it's folded in half. Now it's folded in half. Now I'm going to do a wreath and bring it down through this. And then I'm going to pull it all up and come under here. Let me put my collar down. Let's kind of work with it. So you got the cylinder base right down there. We'll kind of spread that out a bit. Then you got this right up here. You got your 2 wreaths right here. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. I redeem the time by saying that. This might be a little challenging. So there you have the Huckleberry Fin. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. This is what it looks like completed. Peace and God bless.